Hello, my name is David Godoy. I have not collaborated with any other live person for this assignment. My banner ID number is 017113838. So the variable we'll be working with today is overall GPA. This variable is quantitative because it's measured on a numerical scale from 0 to 4. So as you can see here, this is what you call a dot plot. It displays all of the GPAs. So from this graph, we can infer these two columns right here are which most people fall into, which is a GPA of 4, and this column is a GPA of 3.01. Here, this is what we call a stem and leaf graph. So the numbers on the left of the dots would be called stems. Stems, and then the numbers on the right are leaves. So the way to read this is the 0. Well, for instance, we can look at this number right here. So this is a 4.0 GPA because the first number is 4 and the second number is 0. But if you were to scroll down that, you would see that some other person would also fall in, say, or let's take 3 for example. You could have a 3.5 GPA as this person has here highlighted, or you could fall under 3.6 as do these people now highlighted, and then go on to the 7s. So that's one way to display this information. Now here we have a box plot. This is in my opinion, is the best way to display this information, just because of uh, the statics of it and how quickly you can see the overall GPAs, the overall quantitative data. So the way this graph works is here, this bar here is the highest number, which is a 4, and here's the lowest number, which is the minimum, which is a 0. But what I like about this graph is the IQR, which is basically the middle 50th percentile, is shaded in blue, so you could see where the middle half of all the people fall into, which is the majority of people, and that's between Q3 and Q1. Q3 being a 3.36, Q1 being a 2.35, and then the median, which is this middle line, is a 2.9. Like I said before, I think this is an easier way to display information in a graph, just because of the ease of reading it. And yeah, that's pretty much it.